All right, not the final update, but we did get the tops on, which you can now see they match the Jap gate back there, which is awesome. And then we got the rungs in up here so we can hang stuff. And yeah, and then we gotta put in the screen and then the metal thing that goes on top. Again, that's for the bird feeder. Oh, I'm so excited it's coming together. And then the cameras, obviously. We'll figure that all out, but yay!
Came out awesome.
Yeah, it did. All right, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.